The prospect of a recession can be daunting, but with a solid financial plan, you can navigate economic uncertainties with greater confidence. The first crucial step is to get a firm grasp on your budget. Understand where your money is going by differentiating between essential expenses like housing, food, and transportation, and discretionary spending such as entertainment or dining out. This clarity allows you to identify areas where you can cut back if needed. Building a robust emergency fund is paramount. Financial experts generally recommend saving 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in an easily accessible account, like a high-yield savings account or money market fund. Some even suggest having 9 to 12 months' worth, especially if you're self-employed or in a volatile industry. This fund acts as a critical buffer against unexpected events like job loss or medical emergencies, preventing you from relying on high-interest debt. Next, focus on aggressively paying down high-interest debt, such as credit card balances or personal loans. Reducing this debt can free up significant monthly cash flow and improve your overall financial flexibility during a downturn. Consider options like refinancing or debt consolidation to lower interest rates and simplify payments. While preparing for a recession, it's also wise to assess your income streams. Exploring additional income opportunities, such as freelance work or a side business, can provide greater financial stability if your primary job is affected. Learning new skills can also enhance your employability. For your investments, maintaining a diversified portfolio aligned with your risk tolerance is key. Historically, certain sectors like consumer staples, healthcare, and utilities tend to be more resilient during economic downturns. Avoid making impulsive changes to your investment strategy based on market volatility. Instead, stick to your long-term plan. Finally, prepare for the possibility of a job search by networking and keeping your resume and skills updated. By taking these proactive steps, you can build a more resilient financial foundation to weather any economic storm.